All right. Chapter 4 is all about triangles. We are not going to get into special triangles yet. Okay? We're going to talk about classifying triangles by their angles and classifying triangles by their sides. Okay? So let's talk about classifying by their angles first. What does acute mean?
Less than 90.
Acute angle means less than 90. So for acute, it says that all of these angles in this triangle right here, all of them are acute or less than 90. Okay? So acute triangle, 3 acute angles. Okay? What's the difference between the acute triangle and the equiangular triangle?
Equiangular is 3
All three of the angles are the exact same.
Yes. The only difference, all of these are congruent, but all of these angles are also acute. Okay? But they are the same exact angle because you know that these mean congruent. Okay, so equiangular, equiangular, equal angles, equiangular. Okay? What about obtuse? What do you notice about that triangle there?
One of the angles is obtuse.
One angle is obtuse, and it is this one. Okay? Has one obtuse angle. Is it possible for a triangle to have more than one obtuse angle?
Yeah.
Yes.
What if all 3 sides are obtuse?
Would it make a triangle?
Yes.
Yeah. A really
Try to draw on your paper a triangle with more than one obtuse angle.
Michi, I think it's
See if it works. Why is it not possible?
Because you need more angles.
You would have more angles, so would it be a triangle anymore?
Like a hexagon.
No, it would not be a triangle anymore. Okay?
hexagonal.
What about right triangle? What do you notice about a right triangle?
There's one angle that's 90 degrees.
One right angle. So if there is a right angle, it is a right triangle. Okay? Can there be more than one right angle?
No.
No, it would not make a triangle.
Nope.
Okay, it would make a square. Okay? Are we okay with angles? Classifying triangles by angles. Okay? So when it asks you to classify a triangle by the angles, it wants you to name one of those 4. Okay? Moving down to classifying triangles by sides. Okay? We have equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. What do you notice about equilateral here? All 3 sides are the same because you see these congruent signs. Equilateral, equal sides. Lateral means sides.
Wait.
Yes.
If a triangle is equilateral, does that mean that it's equal angular?
Yes. Yep, good. Isosceles, what do you notice about isosceles?
2 sides are the same.
2 sides are the same. So if it's isosceles, 2 of them are the same. What about scalene? None. Scalene is the oddball. It has no congruent sides. Okay, so you have, if it asks to classify a triangle by its sides, you're naming one of these 3. Okay? If it wants by the angle and the side, you need to have one of these and one of these. Okay? Any questions over this? This is what today's about. All right, move on to here. Stay with me. What do we do on A? We're classifying by sides. Equilateral. Why equilateral? All 4 sides are the same. What about B?
Scale.
Scalene. Why? None are the same. What about C? Isosceles, because why? 2 of them are the same. Good. Okay. Go ahead and try these 3 on your own, please, and then check with your elbow partner.
I'm already done.
Number 1, what do we get for number 1? Isosceles, because 2 sides are the same. What about 2? What? Equilateral. All sides are congruent. Stay with me. What about 3?
Scalene.
Scalene, because none of them have the same measure. Okay. All right. This one, it wants angles and sides. So let's do side first. What are the side classifications for 4? Side. Isosceles. Isosceles, because we have those 2 congruent sides. What about the angle classification?
Acute.
Why acute?
Because none of them are over 90.
None of them are over 90. They are all below 90. But they are different. Yep.
Well, 2 of them are the same.
Right. But is there an isosceles angle theorem? No. So it would just be acute. Okay. If they were all the same, So without the sides, if all of these were the same, what kind of triangle would it be?
Equal.
Angles.
Angular.
Equal angular. Yep. Okay, 5. What's the side relationship? Scalene, none of them are the same. What's the angle relationship?
Acute.
Acute again. Yep. On 6, what is the side relationship? Isosceles. What is the angle relationship? Obtuse. Why obtuse?
One's larger than.
Because we have that one angle that is greater than 90 degrees.
Would it be mean if I called Aiden obtuse?
All right, let's see what we got left. Okay, little bit of a different step here that we've kind of seen before, just not with triangles. Okay, so it wants us to name the side that is opposite of the angle. So angle A is here. I'm going from that angle opposite to the other side. What's the side? What's the name of the side?
BC.
Go ahead, Gabe.
CB.
CB or BC. What am I missing here?
The line
What is?
up- the
Yes, I need the line above to signify or symbolize that it is a line. Okay. What about B? I have angle B here, and I'm coming across. It is AC. AC. What am I forgetting?
The line.
The line across. What about
You darkest points of the
C?
line.
AB going straight across.
Will you darkest points of the dump of the line?
Okay. Any questions over classifying triangles by sides or angles?
No.
No? All right.